Welcome. If you want to connect printer to your Samsung Galaxy Note 20, for the first you have to go for the settings. Right now let's go for the connections, and right now just scroll down and go for the more connection settings, tap on the printing and use the default print service to connect to your printer. And as you can see, the Note connect automatically to this printer. There's the HP Core or LaserJet Pro, and right now if we want to print something we have to go for that thing. So I'm going for the files and I will take maybe this photo. Click in the right upper corner, select print, click here to select the printer, and right now all you have to do is just to tap on this print icon. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.